Den-en-toshi Line, Hanzomon Line, Miyamasuzaka Central Gate. If you are transferring to the Ginza Line, it is a good idea to use this miyamasuzaka Central Gate. After exiting the ticket gate, aim for exit B5. To get to Ginza Line, turn left at this passage and proceed towards B5. Go up to the ground level using the escalator you can see in front of you on the left.
Please hold the handrails and do not place your body outside. Please mark your step when you seek the impact.
This is still on the first basement floor, so go around and go up further. When you get to the ground, turn right and go forward until you see the Ginza Line ticket gate. Ginza Line Shibuya Station Meiji-dori Avenue, Gate